It's vegan recipes as far as the eye can.
While in Cleveland at an Asian market, we decided to buy some durian fruit that was frozen. It was in a container like this. It was not this exact durian fruit, and this is how it went.
All right, so Emily is eating
This is it.
vegan Emily.
Durian. I think it most smells like, it's kind of frozen still.
It smells piney, I thought.
It smells like maybe a little piney. It smells like the blue stuff from Porta Johns. The smell is still getting me. Hold on. I mean, I heard people say it's like ice cream. Yeah, I could see that if it was like onion flavored ice cream.
Yeah, it's kind of
Like onion flavored ice cream.
a sweet onion.
Kind of.
The way you like sweet onions.
Sweet onions.
Yeah.
Kind of done with that. Cut.
An onion and a pawpaw.
Please cut.
Yeah, mixed together. It is pretty good. See how it thaws.
No, what's your honest opinion on the durian fruit?
Honestly, I'm not going to do that again.
Just have another bite.
I'm not going to have another bite.
No.
I need something else in my mouth, like this hot sauce. This hot sauce would be better than the durian fruit.
It's vegan recipes with vegan Emily.
How you get the taste of durian fruit out of your mouth?
Oh, I'll try it probably at least two more times.
Put that on everything.
I took it away real fast. FYI.
So it's a good blend then.
It took it away. I couldn't taste it after that. Alright, see you later, guys. Here are a few quick pics of durian fruit. Have you tried durian fruit? What did you think? Let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned to find out if my dog Lala will eat it. Oh, maybe she wants some.
At leisure.
She likes frozen stuff. Lala, hey, you want some durian fruit? You like stuff that smells like butt? She kind of wants it. Look, do you see her? She
Yeah.
can't. She like.
Kind of like the Tic Tac.
I ate it. Put it in your mouth. Yeah. Oh, what's she gonna do with it though? She spit it out. She's like, I want to eat this, but I can't even. My dog can't even eat it.
Okay.
Lick it. She'll lick it. Can she eat it? Oh, did she taste the sweetness? She's gonna lay by it and guard it. She doesn't want to eat it, but she doesn't want you to have it. Lala's like, I'll lick those fingers off. I ate my piece. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Come back and see us next week.